Everyone. Welcome to another video of fuels and combustion. So in this we are going to see about different types of fuels. Like you have different types of fuels, solid fuels, liquid fuel, gaseous fuels. And based on that we have different fuels like CNG, LPG, power alcohol, biodiesels. So in this we are going to see about the introduction to natural gas, that is CNG, compressed natural gas, and what is the composition of natural gas. And here the gaseous fuels, it's actually the natural gas is found above the oil in oil wells. So it is also called the marsh gas. It consists of methane and other saturated hydrocarbons. The average composition of the natural gas is given in the table. That is, the methane, its percentage is 88.5. Ethane, it is 5.5 percentage. Propane, 4. Butane, 1.5. Pentane, zero point 0.5. So, this methane is the major constituent of the natural gas as it contributes to about 88.5 percentage. So its calorific values, it varies from 12,000 to 14,000 kilocalories per meter cube. If natural gas contains lower hydrocarbons like methane and ethane, it is called as a lean or dry gas. If suppose it contains the higher hydrocarbons like propane, butane, along with methane, it is called a rich or wet gas. So what are the uses of this? It is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as a raw material for the manufacture of carbon black and hydrogen. It is also used for the generation of electricity by using it in the fuel cell. So next is the compressed natural gas, CNG. So the natural gas is compressed. Okay, so when the natural gas is compressed, it's called the compressed natural gas. It is denoted by CNG. The primary component present in this CNG is methane. As we know, the major constituent of the natural gas is methane. It is mainly derived from the natural gas, and the natural gas can either be stored in a tank of a vehicle as compressed natural gas at 3000 to 3600 psi, or as a liquefied natural gas, and it can be denoted by LNG at typically 20 to 150 psi. So the average composition of CNG is as follows. As you know already, the methane is the major percentage. It is 88.5 percentage, ethane 5.5, propane 3.7, butane 1.8, and pentane 0.5 percentage. So what are the properties of this? This compressed natural gas is the cheapest, cleanest, and least environmentally impacting alternative fuel. So it does not contribute much to the pollution. So compressed natural gas, when they are used in vehicles, they produce less carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission. It is less expensive than the petrol and diesel. The ignition temperature of CNG is about 550 degrees centigrade. CNG requires more air for ignition. So what are the different uses of the CNG? CNG is used to run an automobile vehicle just like LPG. So nowadays the vehicles, they come up with both the petrol and the CNG. So when this CNG is used as fuel, it contributes to the sustainable environment. That is, it produces less pollution, it lets off less pollution to the environment, and it contributes to the sustainability. And also, it is much like it's cheaper than that of the petrol what we get. Okay, so CNG vehicles are now you have the hybrid vehicles, that is you do have both the petrol and the CNG vehicles. So what is the advantages of CNG over LPG? So CNG produces less pollutants than the LPG. CNG is cheaper and cleaner than LPG. The octane rating of CNG is high, hence the thermal efficiency is more. It does not evolve sulfur and nitrogen gases. It mixes very easily with air than the other gaseous fuels. The noise level is much less than that of the diesel. And the CNG vehicle limit 40% less of nitrogen oxide, 90% less of hydrocarbon, and 25% less of